Hi, everybody. Another stream today. Questions come up a few weeks ago where I asked for people that might be interested in learning about stock trading. In my group, I'd say half the people that come into the Facebook group are all into stock trading. And I'm thinking a lot of them don't have the big account size of the PDT rule, pattern day trading rule, necessary to have 25K in their account for the US if you are trading out of the US. So this is just a gauge to see if people would be interested in learning about trading using the same techniques that you learn from the top gurus. Again, I'm going to say Warrior Trading, Tim Sykes, but save yourself a ton of money because you can use automation to do the same thing and what they're doing. It's not proprietary. They think they want to tell you it is, but it's not, but put in the automation for it. So right now, couple of things is I want to hear from people via comments on whatever social platform you're on, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So if you have a comment, question right away, please let me know. So what I'm looking at is right now, as you know, hopefully that I use MotiveWave. It's probably one of the most advanced trading platforms out there. I've got this workshop I'm planning to put out there. We also have tools that I use for Windows, but it can be used on any platform. You can learn that through the book, this book here, quantlabs.net/book. And that will get you, let me just get the banners here. So the book here is really useful for learning about the tools that I want to use. I've been testing this tool that will get you scans for free using open source overnight with whatever country you want. There's 23 to trade from. It just really depends upon the volume. So that tool that is in there is powerful. On top of that, when you add in IQFeed, Interactive Brokers, and this other tool that's in that book, which in Excel add-in, it really opens up the world where you can see things instantly without having to worry about hotkeys and stuff like that. I mean, man, it's 2020. We shouldn't have to use hotkeys in trading. So there's that. And then I'm also looking at MotiveWave as well for the trading. So I've got this little cheap DVD to show you how to use MotiveWave and Python if you want, because Python's very powerful in itself for Forex trading. But of course, we're now looking at stocks because it seems to be more predictable spikes that you can get in around trading times for certain stocks and regions throughout the world, just no different than what you get in the US. But the best thing is you can do this legitimately and not needing to worry about the pattern day trading rule. And anybody can do it on any exchange as long as they can get access to a broker like Interactive Brokers. Again, a legitimate broker where you don't have to go down to the Caribbean and trade with some schlocky broker. I'm surprised that these gurus actually support that. They can't be that inept to have their paying customers get ripped off by their these schlocky brokers in the Caribbean. And I'm really surprised by that. So again, with the DVD, it's not really a DVD, but you can sign up online and learn about MotiveWave and the power of it. You can get as low as $250. One of the most advanced platforms that I've seen in my life. I'm thinking of actually doing a webinar on this. So you can get the topics that I choose on quantlabs.net/webinar. So I want to do a full hour discussion about it. But here we can do that now in a condensed form. And I just want to hear people that would be interested in this, because what the tools that you're looking at are, let me just get this screen up. So this is the DVD right here. And then this would be that book thing I mentioned here. So right now, what we're looking at is using, as I said, tools like MotiveWave, IQFeed, Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers alone, you could have done it, but they don't provide the historical data. IQFeed still allows you to have historical data. And then a great tool like MotiveWave, and then use the APIs that are provided through Interactive Brokers and and interactive brokers and IQFeed, and still you can use Java for that, as well as MotiveWave can be used for Java too, so they can all talk to each other. That's what I'm thinking. If you're interested in this, please let me know, because I don't want to put efforts into things that people might not have an interest in. I might do it for myself because I can see the huge pretty well, because it's just an unbelievable opportunity. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. If you want to give me a comment, I got some good comments from last night's video on MotiveWave, which is pretty legit. Thanks for that if you're watching. And we'll leave it at that. And we shall talk to you soon. I'll keep my eyes out for any feedback and comments that you might have on this trading idea. We shall talk to you later. Have a good day.